Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here with the FXAUS.com. Finally back uh, in the land of the living, as I say. Have been making any videos the past month or well, 2 months. I've just been a bit busy traveling and other business ventures in Asia, so I haven't had really much time to focus on making videos for my YouTube channel. So I'm back again. Going to start making weekly videos, and I'm not too sure if you've known the past 4 months, 3 months, that I've actually been providing a Forex signal service for a few of my private clients and email newsletter subscribers. Okay, it's been going pretty amazing. And this week video is the first video that I'm going to start reviewing the actual weekly results. Plus, in the video, I'm going to give you a free signal for the week ahead. Probably one of the most powerful signals that I'm going to be sending out to my signal subscribers. So, without further ado, we'll actually get into last week's results of the service. Okay, so last week we banked around 180 pips. Okay, these were the signals that were sent out last week. The way we send them out, we send the signals out on a Sunday afternoon, and you simply enter the signals into your trading platform on a Monday morning on the Tokyo Open. So maybe in Europe it's Sunday night, and in the US it'll be Sunday evening. You enter the signals into your trading platform as a pending order, and you simply come back on a Friday and close them, unless I state otherwise in the Telegram group that is provided with the service. Okay, so these are the trades we had last week. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the signals actually activated. We got around about a 70% hit rate, win ratio. So we had a few stop outs, but the winners outdone the losers, and we ended the week in pretty good fashion in the green, 180 pips banked. So since we started the service, we have actually generated nearly 6,000 pips in the past, what, 4 months, 3, 4 months. Okay, and if you're on the signal page here, you'll see a lot of the results. You can actually track our live signal account here, and some of the results our clients have been getting. Okay, so it's a pretty powerful service. We actually guarantee that you'll every 90 days you will bank 900 pips, or we will actually give you your money back. Okay, so pretty powerful. No one else there's the guarantee. We also give you a free robot for signing up to the service. Okay, so it's a pretty powerful service. 6,000 pips, and this is this week's signals. Okay, so this is the trades we're looking at this week. The actual assets. We've got our eyes on 15 possible trading setups, and the trade I'm going to give you free today, I'm going to analyze it here and show you why we're entering it, is the EURUSD. We're looking to sell EURUSD this week at 112 with a stop loss of 80 pips and a profit target of 200 pips. Okay, so it's a more than 2-to-1 risk reward. So let's head over to the charts, have a quick look at the EURUSD and why we're selling it. Okay, so EURUSD, if we're looking at the monthly here, we've got this down channel here. So moving pretty choppy over the past couple of months, but we did have a huge reaction here, and this was actually at a nice weekly area here on the charts that we're getting reaction. And if you zoom in a little bit lower and scrutinize the zones a bit more, it's actually getting a reaction at this zone here. Okay, and that's the zone we're looking at. Okay, so it's just coming from there now. Okay, we also have this weekly area here that's coming into play. Here's took this area out here, caused this low. Now the next one is up here. And we'll zoom back into the daily and look for a possible trading area. And straight area that goes out for me here is this daily area here. Okay, I'm not going to zoom in anymore. Not going to go, no bother, no need to go into the 4-hour charts. If you did, you probably have this 4-hour area here. You can see that EURUSD is going to run into some selling pressure at this area here. Okay, it's untested daily and weekly. Especially this daily area that caused this, it's untested. So 112 is going to be the entry. Stop loss 80 pips. So I'm not going to put it. I'm going to put it up here. 112.80. Okay. We're going to get some sort of reaction here. Take profit is 110. Okay, so 110 is this 4-hour zone here. In around this area here. And look at that. It's around about, I like to get my stop, my take profits in around the 50 and 61.8 fib line. This seems to be another good buying area on the way back up if it comes down to here. But this week I'm looking to sell at 112. EURUSD sell at 112. I'll just tell you to put that in here. So EURUSD sell at 1.12. Stop loss at 1.128. Take profit at 1.1. Okay. Remember, trade at your own risk. Trade small. Stay disciplined. And you will make it in trading. Okay, so that's the trade this week. EURUSD sell at, take a quick snapshot of that. Okay. That's the trade. Okay, so to access the signal service, to access these trades are going to be sent out today in maybe the next couple of hours. Simply click the link below, sign up to the service, and yeah, pretty powerful service so far. 6,000 pips made for my clients. You can see below some of the results my clients have gotten. One guy made over 8k in 1 week. So pretty powerful, guys. Track the signal account on the page here. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. Looking forward to helping you bag some pips this week. So enjoy the week. Have a great trading week, and I shall see you next week.